In the vastness of the universe, among trillions of stars and planets, lies a mysterious world just over 4 light-years away, Proxima b. It's here that the James Webb Space Telescope has uncovered something so astonishing, it challenges everything we thought we knew about our place in the cosmos. A faint, steady glow, light on the dark side of Proxima b. Could this be evidence of intelligent alien life? Or is it a natural phenomenon waiting to be unraveled? Join us as we delve deep into this groundbreaking discovery, unravel its mysteries, and explore what it means for humanity. Are we truly alone? Or is the universe alive with civilizations waiting to be found? Discovered in 2016, Proxima b orbits the dim red dwarf star, Proxima Centauri, part of the Alpha Centauri triple star system. At just 4.24 light-years away, it's practically our cosmic neighbor, a tantalizing prospect for astronomers seeking other Earth-like worlds. What makes Proxima b so captivating is its position in the Goldilocks zone, a region where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist. And where there's water, the possibility of life follows closely behind. Yet, Proxima b is no Earth. Its parent star, Proxima Centauri, is volatile, prone to violent flares and intense radiation bursts. Could life survive under such hostile conditions? Or has it adapted in ways that defy our understanding? When NASA launched the James Webb Space Telescope in December 2021, its mission was clear: to unveil the secrets of the universe like never before. Unlike its predecessor, Hubble, which observed mostly invisible light, Webb specializes in infrared. This unique capability allows it to peer through clouds of dust and gas, revealing the hidden workings of distant worlds. When Webb turned its powerful gaze to Proxima b, astronomers weren't just looking for water vapor or methane, typical signs of life. They were hunting for something extraordinary. And what they found was beyond anyone's wildest expectations: a faint, steady glow coming from the planet's dark side. The dark side of Proxima b should have been just that, dark. But Webb detected something unusual: a steady, consistent glow. This wasn't the flicker of a volcano or a burst of natural light. It was persistent, systematic, almost like artificial illumination. Imagine looking at Earth from space and seeing city lights twinkling against the night. Could Proxima b have something similar? Could this glow be the hallmark of an advanced alien civilization? If the lights on Proxima b are artificial, it opens a Pandora's box of possibilities. Are we looking at a society similar to ours, capable of engineering, building, and harnessing energy? Or is this something far beyond our comprehension? The glow appears to cover a significant portion of the planet. This suggests either a sprawling metropolis or a network of interconnected settlements. Either way, the organization is deliberate, an unmistakable sign of intelligent design. But this raises more questions. How are these lights powered? Proxima Centauri is a dim red dwarf, far cooler than our Sun. Any civilization would need innovative solutions to harness energy. Could they be using advanced solar technology, tapping into geothermal heat, or something entirely unknown to us? Let's hypothesize. If intelligent beings exist on Proxima b, what might they look like? Given the intense radiation from their star, they might live underground, shielded by layers of rock and soil. Their cities could be powered by geothermal energy, their biology adapted to resist radiation, or they might not be biological at all, perhaps they're machines, having outlasted their creators. The possibilities stretch the limits of human imagination. But there's another possibility, one that's equally haunting. What if the lights we see are remnants of a once thriving civilization now in decline? Could we be witnessing the final traces of a society that fell victim to the same challenges we face on Earth: climate change, resource depletion, or self-destruction? If so, Proxima b could serve as a cautionary tale for humanity, a mirror reflecting our own potential future. At a distance of 4.24 light-years, reaching Proxima b poses immense challenges. Even with advanced propulsion technologies like light sails or nuclear fusion, a journey would take decades, if not centuries. Communication is another hurdle. A message sent to Proxima b would take over 4 years to arrive, and any response would take just as long. It's a long wait for a conversation, but the stakes couldn't be higher. If intelligent life exists on Proxima b, the implications are staggering. It would challenge centuries of human thought, reshaping our understanding of existence and our place in the cosmos. Contact with an advanced civilization could spark a revolution, introducing technologies and ideas that propel humanity into a new era. Knowing we're not alone might unite humanity, fostering cooperation in ways we've never seen before. But we must tread carefully. History shows us that when civilizations meet, the outcomes can be unpredictable. Would they see us as allies, potential friends, or something to fear? And are we ready for the responsibility that comes with discovering intelligent life? The discovery of strange lights on Proxima b is more than a scientific breakthrough, it's an invitation to dream, to question, and to explore. Whether these lights are artificial or natural, they remind us that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of possibilities. So, what do you think? Are we on the brink of discovering alien life? Or is Proxima b a puzzle we have yet to solve? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic adventures. The journey to understand Proxima b has just begun, and together, we'll uncover the secrets of the universe. The story of Proxima b doesn't exist in isolation. To truly appreciate the magnitude of this discovery, we must understand the cosmic context in which it resides. The Alpha Centauri system is one of the most studied in the galaxy. With 3 stars, Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, and Proxima Centauri, it forms a fascinating gravitational dance. Proxima Centauri, the smallest and dimmest of the trio, holds the spotlight due to its planetary companion, Proxima b. What sets Proxima b apart isn't just its proximity to Earth, it's the tantalizing possibility that it may resemble our home world. But what does it mean to find a second Earth? Is it simply about habitability, or is it about finding a kindred spirit in the cosmos? Humans have been asking the ultimate question, are we alone? For millennia. Ancient astronomers gazed at the heavens, weaving stories of gods and mythical beings among the stars. Later, the invention of telescopes revealed planets in our own solar system, sparking theories about Martian canals and Venusian jungles. In the 20th century, the search for extraterrestrial life took a scientific turn. Missions like Viking and Curiosity scoured Mars for microbial life, while telescopes scanned distant stars for exoplanets. But it wasn't until the launch of the Kepler Space Telescope that the floodgates truly opened. Suddenly, we were finding thousands of exoplanets, some rocky, some gaseous, some hot, some cold. Each new discovery brought us closer to the dream of finding a world like Earth. And then came Proxima b, a planet so close, so tantalizingly Earth-like, that it became an immediate obsession for astronomers. Could this be the place where life finally reveals itself to us? But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Proxima b orbits a red dwarf star, which presents unique challenges. While red dwarfs are the most common type of star in the galaxy, they are far from friendly. These stars are known for their intense flares, bursts of radiation that can strip away a planet's atmosphere. For Proxima b, this means any potential life would need to survive under extreme conditions. Could life evolve underground, shielded from the radiation? Or could it develop biological mechanisms to resist such harsh environments? These are questions scientists are eager to explore. The James Webb Space Telescope represents a new era in our search for life. Its infrared capabilities allow it to peer through the cosmic veil, detecting the faintest signals from distant worlds. When Webb turned its gaze to Proxima b, it wasn't just another observation. It was a mission to uncover the secrets of a world that could hold the answers to humanity's oldest question. What it found, a faint, steady glow on the planet's dark side, was unexpected, unprecedented, and utterly captivating. Let's dive deeper into the possibility of artificial illumination. On Earth, city lights create a distinctive glow visible from space. Could Proxima b's glow be the result of similar urban activity? If so, what does this say about the civilization responsible for it? Imagine a society advanced enough to illuminate its world. How might it organize its cities? What energy sources would it rely on? Given Proxima b's harsh environment, these beings might have developed technologies far beyond our own, perhaps harnessing geothermal energy, or creating bioengineered light sources. Or consider another possibility: what if the glow isn't artificial at all, but a natural phenomenon we've never encountered? Could it be a type of bioluminescence, akin to Earth's fireflies and glowing plankton, but on a planetary scale? The discovery of potential life on Proxima b also raises a profound question: where do we stand in the grand scheme of the universe? In the famous Fermi paradox, physicist Enrico Fermi asked, if intelligent life is common, why haven't we found it yet? One possible answer lies in the concept of the Great Filter, a barrier that prevents civilizations from reaching a stage of interstellar communication. If the lights on Proxima b represent a thriving civilization, they might have already passed their Great Filter. But if they're remnants of a fallen society, they serve as a stark warning for humanity. What challenges might we face that could determine our fate? Climate change, nuclear conflict, resource depletion, these are just a few examples of filters we must navigate. Proxima b could hold the answers to our survival, or our demise. If there is intelligent life on Proxima b, should we attempt to contact them? The prospect of making first contact is both exhilarating and terrifying. Would they greet us as allies, or view us as a threat? And what if we're the advanced civilization in this equation? Would it be ethical to interfere with a society that may not yet be ready for interstellar communication? Some argue that sending signals into space is reckless, potentially revealing our location to hostile civilizations. Others believe it's our responsibility to reach out, fostering a galactic community. The lights on Proxima b bring these questions to the forefront, forcing us to confront what it truly means to be part of the universe. The discovery of Proxima b is just the beginning. With advancements in propulsion technology, we could one day send probes, or even humans, to explore this enigmatic world. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot are already laying the groundwork for interstellar travel, aiming to send nanocrafts to Alpha Centauri within our lifetime. Imagine the moment we receive the first close-up images of Proxima b. What secrets will they reveal? Could we find evidence of life, or something even more unexpected? Proxima b is more than just a planet. It's a mirror reflecting humanity's deepest hopes and fears. Whether or not it harbors life, its discovery reminds us of the importance of exploration. Each new finding expands our understanding of the cosmos, pushing us to question who we are and where we come from. The lights on Proxima b challenge us to dream bigger, to reach further, and to unite as a species in the pursuit